Okay, are the segments congruent? Well, let's find out the length of each by doing the absolute value, the difference between the 2 points. So absolute value of L to N, L is at -8. You can see that right there. And N is at 1, 2, 3. So we subtract them and take the absolute value, okay, and that is equal to the absolute value of -11, which is 11. So Ln, written this way, is the length of segment Ln is 11. We're going to do this same thing for MQ, okay? M is at -3, so we'll take the absolute value of -3 minus the coordinates of Q, which is 12. Okay, the absolute value of -3 minus 12, or -15, which means 15. Okay, so MQ, which is the length of segment MQ, is 15. So congruent, we would say not congruent. Because to be congruent, they have to have the same measures of length. Okay, let's do it again. Mn, well, m is at -3, so if we take the absolute value of -3 minus the coordinates of n, which is 3, -3 minus 3 is the absolute value of -6, which is 6. So the measure of Mn, the measure of segment Mn, is 6. We'll do that for PQ. P is at 6, so we do the absolute value of 6, minus Q is at 12. And absolute value of 6 minus 12, or -6. And notice that that's a bar, that's not a 1 there. Okay. And the absolute value of -6 is 6. So that means that PQ, written without the bar over the top, means the measure of segment PQ is 6. They have the same measures. So what do we say there? We say congruent.